Zenvo is a Danish hypercar brand, so we build ultra low volume vehicles here. They're hand built here at the factory in Præstø. So we probably build 5 cars a year. 3D printing is interesting to us here at Zenvo because we currently make 2 models and we're coming to the end of this generation of vehicle. So we'll be doing some lightweight vehicles and also we're looking for performance gains. So lightweight, cost reduction, making the parts simpler. There's a lot of things we can improve for the later vehicles we're building. We chose to optimise our suspension upright. It's a current part, it's not a brand new part. It's quite bulky and heavy, and in the hypercar world, parts need to also look pleasing to the eye, you know. So achievements of the 3D printed part is a performance gain, so the part's lighter, it's stronger. It is slightly more expensive, but because it's more aesthetically pleasing to the eye, it's a cost we're prepared to pay. So I think on an individual part, we're saving half a kilo. So times that by 4, because there's 4 parts per car, that's 2 kilos of weight saving, which, you know, in our world is a lot.
Additive manufacturing can help improve sustainability on parts like this by reducing the amount of material needed. You reduce the raw material need, and that in any way is a better way of producing. You can produce in places where the energy has a more green mix, and you can only produce the part you need in small quantities, even in quantities of 1, which is really relevant for a company like Zenvo that is not doing 1,000 cars, but really wants to have only the parts they really need when they need them in those quantities.
With this project, we definitely learn a lot about the potential of metal 3D printing. We also learn what components will benefit the most from this method. This will help a lot for the next projects. It will be much more straightforward and more efficient to design these parts.
The next steps after this particular project is real world testing. So we'll take that part, we'll fit it to a car, and we'll do some real world testing. And if that all goes well, which I'm highly confident it will, the parts will make it to production.